okay? This will take muscle memory, but you're gonna have to tell yourself, okay, all I'm doing is responding to exactly what they said. When you introduce something into a conversation that wasn't something they said, it's called hijacking. The best thing I can do in listening is to say, okay, so what I heard you say is, everybody give yourselves a round of applause here. We conducted another Asist course here at Camp Horno. And this is interesting. This is the very first one we've done where we have to practice social distancing due to COVID-19. What's your favorite part about Asist?
Definitely my favorite part is when each participant has an opportunity to be a caregiver or an at-risk person and put into practice all the skills that they've been learning.
It's not about solving everybody's problems. It's about what do we got to do here, the first steps. And it's about keeping people safe for now.
It's worth the investment when we put that into the lives of Marines and sailors and give them the skills to save lives, because a life is really priceless.
And for all the Marines and sailors here at Camp Pendleton, if you want to join this course, it's free. It's free 90 free. So you can't beat that. And there's more information about this on livingworks.net. That's all we have. We'll see you guys at the next training here at Camp Pendleton.